Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I am showing you how to create a Microsoft account free on your laptop or PC on Windows 10. So guys, first of all, open your browser. You can use any browser. I use Google Chrome and search create Microsoft account and simply click the first link. And you see here two options: sign in, create a Microsoft account. So we create a new account. So we choose create a Microsoft account. After you click the link, you see there new page open, create account. So here are two options. Use a phone number instead. If you click this, you can create account for your phone number. So you choose which country you are. So we click use your email address. So here are two options. We can write any third party email address like Gmail, Google, like Gmail, Yahoo, or you can create a new email address like Outlook. Microsoft provides Outlook.com or Hotmail.com. So I use Outlook.com and I write my Microsoft account and simply click next. And I choose a password. Guys, I highly recommend you create a strong password. And you see our Outlook.com account is create. And simply click next. And after some seconds your account is create. So here option, please solve the puzzle so we know you are not a robot. So we simply click next and we choose the all. So here you see our account is create. So here you see our Microsoft account is create, and this is our Microsoft account dashboard. You can use this where you want. In Windows 11 you can use this, or you can add your name. For this click this option like first name, last name. This is your choice. You can change security, and this is you can change settings like date of birth, country, or region. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, so click the like button and share with your friends. And if you don't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. And if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Guys, take care. Allah Hafiz.